Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use an oil diffuser. This is one I purchased from a department store, but you can get them at various places. They range in size and price, but they basically do the same thing. So let's get started. The first thing we do is fill our diffuser with water. Most diffusers have an indicator line inside to show you the water level to fill to. And the first thing we do is we take the glass part off. We take the plastic part off. Now I've already put water in this, but just for the purpose of the video, we put our water in, fill to the indicator line. The next step is to add a few drops of essential oil. Then we reassemble. Put the plastic part on, put the glass part back on, and we press the button, and you'll see it is now diffusing the oil. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back next week with another video on how to do something. Thank you.